Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Coinbase wallet. First, you will need to download the official Coinbase wallet application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and you will be presented with options to either create a brand new wallet or restore one you already own. It is crucial to have a stable internet connection throughout this initial setup process to avoid any interruptions. This ensures a smooth and secure start to managing your digital assets. If you are restoring an existing wallet, select the Restore an Existing Wallet option. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so enter each word precisely as it was given to you, paying close attention to spelling and the correct sequence. A single error can prevent access to your funds. Take your time and verify every word before proceeding to the next step. Security is paramount when managing your digital assets. After restoring, create a strong, unique password or PIN to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is the ultimate key to your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone, including Coinbase support. Always store this phrase offline in a secure, private location, like a safe, to prevent any potential loss or theft. Once you have successfully entered your recovery phrase and set up your security, confirm that your wallet is fully restored and accurately displays your digital assets. Take some time to explore the various features available, such as sending and receiving cryptocurrency or browsing decentralized applications. When making transactions, always double-check the recipient's address to ensure your funds are sent to the correct destination. You are now ready to securely manage your crypto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.